Hello everyone, we are here today at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village, where we are staying in a 3-bedroom grand villa with a Savannah view. We're so excited because we love the Savannah view here. This room does sleep up to 12 adults and has plenty of room for everyone to spread out in here.
Yeah, we love this room. It is 2 stories. It's got a ton of beds and space to spread out here in the room. And that Savannah view is amazing. We've got a 2-story window looking over the Savannah. Absolutely gorgeous. And when we stay here, we believe at least it's always worth it to spend the extra points and get that Savannah view, especially in the Grand Villa, because it's just so beautiful and we can't wait to show it to you.
Let's go check it out.
So you can see when we come in here, it is a very large room, lots of space, and it is 2 stories. So we've got the stairs over there on the left. On the right, when we first come in here, we do have some closets. We've got one on the left, just some storage space in there. And then we have one behind me on the right, and that's where you're gonna find your iron and ironing board, as well as some more storage space and your laundry basket. And then we have an extra bathroom here. Like all of the 1-bedroom and larger villas at Kidani Village, we've got a bonus bathroom. This has a single vanity, plenty of counter space in here, and also some storage down below as well. And then we have a tub with a shower behind me. And this does not have that detachable head. It just has the single shower head. And it does have the refillable soap and shampoos. And you can see we've got the kind of African patterns on the tile there and the curtain. And there's just a little bit of storage behind the door, as well as a full-length mirror. So that extra bathroom really comes in handy in all the rooms here at Kidani Village. And then right across from the bathroom area here is your laundry. We do have a full-size washer and dryer in here, stackable unit there, that they have in all of the 1-bedroom and larger villas here in the DVC resorts. Then coming into the main part of the room, over on the right, we've got the kitchen and the dining room, and then the left is the living room. We'll start off in the kitchen and dining room. We do have a full-size kitchen here. We've got a full-size fridge and freezer. We've got a stove and an oven. We have a microwave, a toaster, a full-size coffee maker. We also have a dishwasher down here by the sink. And these cabinets are fully stocked with everything from plates and bowls to glassware to silverware, pots and pans, everything you could need to cook here in the villa. They've got you covered there. Our dining room is kind of interesting because there's not actually enough space at the table for everyone who can stay here, because the room does sleep up to 12. The table really only fits 7 or maybe 8 with that extra chair pulled up, but you do have seating here at the bar. You got some bar stools there. And the feet of the table, I do need to try and point these out. If you can see the feet down there, they do have hooves. So the feet are actual feet, which is a really fun detail they put in there. We've got this buffet table over here. It's got some storage inside. It also has some hidden Mickeys on it. They took the time to put little Mickey carvings on there. I love that they fit that into the theming here. And a beautiful chandelier up above the table there. Now this door goes out to our main balcony. We'll go out there in just a second from the living room, but it is a shared balcony here on the main floor. And here in the living room, we've got several seating options. We've got a little stool there. We have a chair. We've got another chair here behind me. We've got a couch. This couch is a pull-out couch. It has a queen-size bed inside. Of course, you've got the end tables there that have some lamps on them as well. No outlets or anywhere to plug up your devices is something to note if people are going to be staying here in the living room area, as far as right by the bed. But our entertainment center over there under the TV does have some USB outlets, so you do have somewhere. So right here we've got the USB outlets, as well as a little carving of Simba there. And we also have a speaker system. You can see the speakers up by the TV there, and there's also a couple hidden behind the curtains on the wall, as well as a subwoofer in that cabinet. So we've got a nice little sound system in here. And you can see this beautiful 2-story window. Absolutely gorgeous in the morning when the sun comes up, or in the evening at sunset time. We're going to head out onto the balcony and just take a look. This is the shared balcony here on this floor. So over to the left we have the master, and this is where you'll find a couple chairs and a little table. Got the zebra in the back of the chair. And then over to our right is that balcony we saw from the dining room. It's all just one big balcony here, and we have a beautiful view of the savannah down here on the end of the building. Absolutely gorgeous, especially around sunset and sunrise. We saw some giraffe out earlier, but haven't seen any other animals since. They usually come around right around dusk, so we'll probably see a few more coming here pretty soon, maybe before we finish the tour. Now, heading into the master bedroom over here down this hallway. Now this does have a door, so you can close off the master suite from the rest of the room, but you've got your closet right here in front of us. Just some storage space in there. You got some extra pillows and blankets for that bed in the living room. You also have your safe down there on the floor. On the left is our master bathroom, and you can see this one has a TV in it, which is really nice because when you're laying in the jetted tub right over here, you can watch TV there. So you've got a really nice jetted tub here, beautiful tile work up behind the tub with some friends that I'm sure you recognize from The Lion King, sunrise over the savannah there. And then we also do have a shower as well, not just the tub. So we've got a walk-in shower here, and we do have that refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here. Got a few more animals, none that you'll really recognize as far as Lion King goes. And then we have the shower head up here in the corner. No detachable shower heads in here. And it is kind of small for a shower, but the ones upstairs a little bit bigger as far as the tubs that have showers in them. Now the vanity in here is a single vanity, but we've got a lot of counter space and storage down underneath as well. We have all this space as well as the little shelf up there above the vanity. And then we have a couple really cool looking lights. I really like the style of those lights, they're awesome. And then just this little room over here that has the toilet in it as well as the phone, because, you know, everyone needs a phone next to the toilet to order a pizza or whatever. And in the master bedroom over here, we have a king size bed with a really pretty picture carved in there of Simba and Nala, just like in the movie. Really cute. I know it could be Simba and baby Simba, but I totally go with Simba and Nala because it's a master, it's a bed, like it's perfect. And then on either side we have the nightstands with the USB outlets. You can see those there, as well as the lamps that are my favorite with the eggs. I love those ostrich egg lamps. They're just really cool. And then on the other side of the room we have a little seat that has a drawer inside. We've got a entertainment center there that has lots of storage as well as the TV. It also has some of those USB outlets, lots and lots of USBs here in this room. Our desk also has some. We've got wall outlets and USB outlets there on the desk, and the mirror up above the desk there. Pretty cool looking. We also have a hidden Mickey. We've got to point that out. Over here on the desk, on the drawer, right there is a little Mickey carved in. You'd almost miss it if you weren't looking. And then we do have another chair here in the corner, and again, that sliding door that leads out to our balcony. Now we're going to head upstairs to check out the two bedrooms that are up there, but first Alyssa has pulled out this bed in here, the queen size pull-out bed in the living room, and you can see even with that pulled out, there is still plenty of space. This is a very, very large villa. So if you are looking to have the maximum capacity in here, not a problem at all having people sleep out here in the living room, especially because you have that extra bathroom. Really makes it nice for those staying here. Now we're going to head up the stairs. There's two bedrooms upstairs. And you'll see that we have a door up here too. So this is a second door that leads to the hallway outside. You can access it from the outside. So if you're staying here with a couple different families maybe, or maybe adult kids, and you want to have your own access to come in a little bit later at night, really handy having both of those doors. We have a little loft here that has a couch, and this couch is also a pull-out queen size bed, and we'll pull that out here in just a minute and show you. And then we have the dresser over here with a couple drawers on it, another little carving of Simba, of course some USB outlets, and then some other animals carved on the drawers. Maybe or maybe not Zazu. There's debate about that, but I think it looks like him. And then we, of course, have a TV there. Now heading into the bedroom over here, this one again has that door, you can close it off. All the bedrooms can be closed off, which is really nice that you can close it off from the living areas here. Straight ahead of us, we've got another closet. And once again, this closet just has some extra pillows and blankets, as well as a closet rod and some hangers in there. On my left, we have the bathroom up here. We have another single vanity in this bathroom with a lot of counter space. They definitely have plenty of space in these bathrooms. Storage down below and the little shelf up above there. And then on the mirror, you can see the carvings of the animals around the mirror. Pretty cool. And then over on the left, we've got the toilet as well as a full-length mirror on the door there. And then behind me is the tub and shower, again with the kind of African-inspired pattern on the shower curtain. We've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Just a single fixed shower head in here, and then the tile in this bathroom has different animal print on it. All kinds of different animals there. Now we'll head across into the bedroom area. In this bedroom, we have, very similar to the one downstairs, a bench there that has some storage underneath. We have a dresser, a little bit of a different dresser up here than the one downstairs. This one, of course, has those USB outlets in it and the TV, but it also has very clearly what I believe to be some hidden Mickeys there. Kind of swirly looking, not exactly perfect circles, but I think we should go with that. And then we have, again, the same desk we saw downstairs with those USB outlets built into it, as well as the hidden Mickey on the drawer over there and the mirror up above. As far as beds here in this room, we have two queen-size beds. You can see they've got the wooden headboards on them and the tapestry hanging up there. I absolutely love the theming in here, how all the different lamps and lights, fixtures throughout the building. Just really, really cool. Fits the theming really well. We've got a nightstand in between the beds that has some USB outlets hiding behind the phone there, and a couple wall outlets there as well. And then this room has a balcony that is dedicated. This is not a shared balcony. So you can go out here, you've got a couple chairs of your own and a little table over there, and then you have a beautiful view of the savannah from here as well. Of course, down below is that shared balcony we had on the first floor, but the bedrooms up here get their own, which is really cool. Let's go check out the other bedroom. So our final bedroom here in this grand villa, we have another closet straight ahead of us here. And once again, just extra pillows and blankets in there and a closet rod with some hangers. We have a full-length mirror in this room because there's a little more room in here. So you can see the full-length mirror over there. And then the bathroom, we've got another single vanity in here. Storage down underneath, lots and lots of counter space once again, with the little shelf up above as well as the counter itself. And then over on the left, another full-length mirror on the door, and inside here is your toilet. And then behind the door is your shower and tub. Once again, the fixed shower head on the wall, that same animal print on the tile. We've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and the kind of African-inspired pattern there on the shower curtain. Now into the bedroom. Very similar to the bedroom across the hall. We've got a little bench down there. We have the same dresser that has that little swirly hidden Mickey on it with those USB outlets and the TV built into it there. We have the desk across the room as well. This desk is just the same as all the others. It's got the same hidden Mickey there on the drawer, and it has the lamp and the USBs there on the desk. And there are two queen beds in this room as well. Of course, we have the same headboards and the same tapestry up there. Very, very similar, these two up here. I do feel like that one tapestry that they kind of went for a hidden Mickey look with those squares in the middle. They're a little bit separated, not quite touching, but I feel like that could kind of be a hidden Mickey, like inspired, kind of an abstract hidden Mickey there, right? And then, of course, the nightstand in between, we do have some more USB outlets there. And we have our own balcony on this room as well. We saw it from the other side, but we'll take you out here for one last look at the view. We've got a chair on the left and then another chair and a table on the right, and the beautiful, beautiful sunset view over the savannah here. Absolutely love it. And then before we wrap this up, just really quickly, I want to show you the bed up here in the loft, pulled out from the sleeper sofa. You can see it's a queen size bed, and even with that pulled out, it still doesn't get super cramped in here. So there's still room to move around here. And if you were paying close attention, you'll notice that with this sleeper sofa, that actually brings the total bedding in this room to 14, not 12, but the maximum bookable capacity for this room is 12. So that's something to keep in mind, that you do have the extra bed here, but you can still only book it for 12 people. And that is going to conclude our tour of this 3-bedroom grand villa with a savannah view at Kidani Village.
We hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment with any questions you have here about the room or at Kidani Village. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know we have even more room tours coming.
And if you'd like more information about this resort or the other things going on here at Walt Disney World, head over to herewiththeears.com. We'll put a link to that in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.